Alright guys, I'm gonna make a quick video of just unboxing all of our race stuff. This is for the Danger Ranger. Basically what we're going to be doing is just unboxing our stuff from Danger Ranger. This is just gonna be a helmet, safety equipment, and also the net. I'm not getting the roll bar until I think actually tomorrow or Friday. You know, 1 or 2 days from now from where I'm at. So let's get into what we got here. So we get into the first box here. The first box here I think is our neck restraint. So let's see what's in this box here. See what this baby looks like. So I got the Samson hybrid. That has a little weight to it, but it feels sturdy. That's what I can tell. I'll put you guys down so you guys can. So basically what we got here, we got a neck restraint here. So I'm gonna throw this on real quick, see what it feels like. Put on. So it's like kind of like a backpack in a way. Oh no, wait, it is like a backpack. Hold on, I don't know what I'm trying to do here. Nice buckle. Oh, it's actually a really nice buckle actually. So basically just throw it on like a backpack, which I did not throw it on like that. Just take it like this. So technically that goes like that. This comes around like this. Why does it look so weird? So basically, that's right. That's pretty good, decent tie around me. So yeah, feels pretty good actually. Yeah, I probably gotta loosen this up a little bit right here, especially from when I get the race suit on and stuff. They are adjustable, so, but it's a little twisted too here, so. Oh, there we go. I got that. And it's twisted here, so probably feel a little better. Yeah, it feels a lot better actually. I feel 100% better. So, got quick release here, which is for this spot here. I guess it does whatever it does. Oh, there you go. Yeah, unhinges it right here. Hey, girl, what are you doing? Checking it out with me? Checking it out with me? Yeah. Yeah. You wanna go racing? You wanna go racing? Oh yeah. You know you're my pain. You know why? You're a pain. You're a big pain. We're gonna go for a run in a little bit, okay? I promise we're gonna go for a little run. Hey, good girl. Good girl. You're a good girl. No, bite in the face. Stop being like a cat and get frisky. Alright. Don't get in front of the camera, mistake. Alright. So basically we got some quick release stuff here. Basically this is stuff you gotta screw onto the helmet, which we'll get to the helmet actually next probably. I'm not just gonna leave this on just because, you know, it's part of the thing. And yeah, buddy, no, I'll play with you in a few minutes, girl, I promise. Sit. Why is it? I'll say, you lay down. Come here. Hold on. Let me get a treat real quick. Come here. Sit. Good girl. She's in training still. I say, come here. Look. Lay down. Come on. Look. Lay down. Good girl. Yeah, she's still in training. She's not bad. But when she wants to be bad, she'll be bad. But I would say this feels pretty good. A little loose in the back. I probably gotta tighten up this a little bit here. These straps here. But feels pretty good. I said loosen this up here, tighten this up a little bit here actually. But this probably good when the suit's on me. I guess next we'll go quick. This is just kind of like a quick release system for the net. Basically when we install the net, I'll show you guys this probably more because right now it's probably kind of like gonna be like, you know, nothing that interesting. But basically for the net, window net, when we hang it up on the car door. So actually I lied about the helmet. Let's just go right to this, which I believe is the 5-point harness. So yes, I am correct. So got a 5-point harness here. You know, nothing special. Just your basic harness. Clicks in. You gotta tie it down somewhere. Blah 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 blah. You know, same old stuff with a harness. But race equip harness. I guess it gives you some instructions here. So I got that. Right here we got a race suit, which I'll try this on. I got a large. So let's see how this works. So we'll adjust that when we get the race suit on. So let's unbox this. Let's unbag this since they already unboxed it. Alright, so decent looking race suit. Looks good. Not too heavy, not too, you know, nothing like that. So it's just alright, it goes down to there. So let's just get this stuff on here. Let's see. It's just a 1-layer suit, nothing crazy, nothing that's going to save me from a burning fire. But, you know, need a little more. Let's see. What, girl? So, not bad. Not bad, a little baggy on me, but for because my height and stuff, I need a little big on my arms, you know. But manufacturer certified and 32A1, which means I think it's only like 3 seconds, something like that, in fire. So let's see with the harness here. Is this the straps on the top here adjustable? No, they are not. Oh, wow! What? Man, I feel like a firefighter right now. Let's go. Ugh. So I loosened this up a little bit so it's not as tight. So I'll probably go a little tighter. Man, what you doing? You getting excited? You getting excited? Yeah. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Alright, let's loosen this up a little bit. What? Yeah, you want what? What? What's your malfunction, girl? What's your malfunction? No, Shadow. You're shut the camera. We gotta go this way. Oh! It's okay. It's not attacking me. It's not a big giant. It's not a monster. I promise you. It's not a monster. It's just a safety suit. Hey, what are you doing? Oh God, I'm falling all over the place. I made a mess of this house. Ah, Schwitz. Okay, I found the adjustment. I figured it out. Go get it. Alright. So, I'm gonna go a little tighter than that, but we get the idea. It's not bad at all, it feels pretty good. Alright. You also got these guys, we got some gloves. These are racing gloves, decided just to go with some racing gloves because why not? We got. I'll be a little stylish when we're driving, you know? Make sure I have a grip on the steering wheel and don't have any issues. So, gloves feel good. I think I'm becoming a racer already. Now the real test will be actually driving the race, and that'll be the actual test of the race. So you can look like a racer, but it doesn't mean you are a racer. It's like Halloween all over. So, alright. So here's our helmet here. Should really take these gloves off for this part, but I just don't feel like it right now. So, pull this off. Nice little bag for this. Oh, someone's calling me. Oh, shit. Oh, it's all the way in the pocket. Gotta get it from my father. I need to talk to him real quick. Damn scam calls. Well, let's just go in that pocket. Actually, a pocket on this stuff. Let's go back in the race suit. We're gonna get fully into the race suit. We're going fully in. We take the gloves off for now because it's easy to do all this. Come on, girl. So here's our helmet. Let's see what we got here. We got a race equipped helmet here. As you remove this film, I don't want. Why would you remove the filament? It protects the lens. You know. Why would you? I wonder what that does. I'll probably adjust this maybe how far it goes up or not. I don't know. But let's see. So you got some nice little stickers here. We'll just rip that off. Let's see. We got a nice little. See, the one helmet I bought a while ago I didn't like because I just didn't like the way it attached to my head. It had this metal thing and it went right to my throat and I hated it. So hopefully we're a little different with this helmet here. Oh, this helmet's actually really comfortable. How the hell do you open this freaking thing? And one thing cool about this helmet, which I just realized about it, it has the things for the actual head restraint system. So that's awesome. You don't have to drill any holes or anything, so that's pretty cool. And now I'm also putting everything in the description, everything I got, so if you guys want to check it out, you know, different sizes and stuff like that. But it's pretty cool. That might be my father. That is my father. Hello. I'm gonna kill you. Alright, I called him because he hid this box for me. So, yeah, he hid the box for me. I thought someone stole the package off the porch or something, and I'm having like not a heart attack, but you know, you're just worried, like, oh shoot, am I gonna have to deal with some type of, you know, bullshit, stuff like that? Like, no one wants to deal with bullshit. Alright guys, so actually I just found out, actually they didn't even tell me the instructions, but there's actually a thing I gotta remove right here for this. Actually, the whole thing to move is remove this stupid thing here. Oh, you know what? Never mind, you don't have to remove it. It just opens up like that, and we're good. We're good. I really don't know what this is, so I'm gonna have to read instructions for that. But other than that, here's our racing helmet here. Moment of truth. Alright. So that just kind of goes in like one of those belts, so you go like this, whoop de loop. Alright. So I got the helmet all attached. Let's see, it pops up like that. Alright. So basically this is what it is. No, mine's the gloves. Yeah, but so I thought I'd free the box. Wish I know. Let me free the box. So yeah, so this is what this is. This is the whole racing gear suit. Besides the gloves, which I misplaced, which I have terrible ADHD with that shit. There's my gloves. I thought I put my tailor just to cover them up. But so basically, this is the race stuff I got. The gloves are a little extra, you know. Really didn't need these. Didn't really need the race suit either, but I figured, you know, extra safety race suit I'm gonna need anyways in general. So got the race suit, got the harness. I needed this. I need the helmet. Gloves, like I said, a little extra, but they work, you know. But yeah, so that's that. That's it for the race suit. I guess we'll just show. I'm getting out of this stuff. I'm starting to actually sweat a lot from this, so I'm gonna go actually get this little stuff off, and we'll go into more like the little stuff here. That's like you know, the nets and everything. So what we got here? We got ourselves the window nets here. We got this other window net here, which I'm gonna open up because I'm curious what this is actually. I'm not gonna open that up just yet because I don't want to open up any of these I don't think I'm gonna use, which I don't think I like the way that net looks. I think that has like the net, and then it also has like the mini mesh net thing. So I want to stick with more of a net like this, you know, a little more open, kind of like this one here that's opened up, which basically what these all look like. So I was opening this one up. So basically, all it is just this. It just go against the window, so that when we work out the car, we can go be looking out just like this, driving by, look out the window, and anything ever big giant wheel tries to come through the car, hopefully this will stop it from going through the window. I really don't think, to me, I don't think it will stop it, but you know, you know, it could stop it. You know, in all honesty, as long as you have the mounting done right, nothing's going through that window on you. So, well, I can't say nothing. Anything fast enough can go through something. So, but other than that, guys, listen, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is a little fun little thing. Oh wait. We got one last thing, actually. We got ourselves, oh, I don't want to lose that, actually. This is actually the bag I bought, but I'm not going to show you guys that. If you guys want to see that, I'll show you guys that later on. If you guys throw in the comments if you want to see the bag, I'll show the bags in the next video, whatever. But yeah, so if you guys enjoyed the video, listen to the guys, hopefully we're getting ready for Danger Ranger, so basically we're being high gear, Jason's getting that truck ready. Unlike Frank, where Frank takes forever to build this because I was complete build from the ground up, rewiring, read this, you know, everything done. And I gotta take the motor out again and redo one other thing. But other than that, we are almost done with Frank also. But for we gotta make a name. We gotta get a name for the Ranger truck. But we'll figure that out a little bit. But other than that, guys, listen, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like down below, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.